This is how Honeycomb can help automatically initiate a type of remediation in the orchestration platform like Kubernetes. This is a checkout service. It's running on a Kubernetes, and you notice how the latency is suffering when there's a low memory, and it actually goes down and up again. There's a reason why, because is the pod actually lacks the memory. Hence, it's going on a repeated restarts. We don't want this to happen. We want a better performances. Let's see how we can fix this by creating a trigger. And there's actually a trigger that monitors the checkout's memory consumptions. And it is defined by monitoring the memory available in every 10 minutes. And when there's a threshold of it going under 2.5 megabytes, it's going to trigger a webhook. Now, this webhook is designed to send a particular messages to this remediation service. And this is what the message looks like. It's basically a command that is sent to the remediation service to roll out, restart the deployment. Now, let's see how it looks. So after turning on this trigger, the memory consumptions, when it's low, it's automatically triggering this remediation that is going to roll out, restart the deployment. And hence, all the restarts that you've been seeing in a pod are all gone